In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping rates in Google Merchant Center. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Merchant Center. Click the official Merchant Center result so you land on the correct Google domain, then sign in with the account connected to your store. Once you're in, head to the Products and Store section and select Shipping and Returns. This is where you define how shipping is calculated for your listings. Click the plus button to create a new shipping service. Begin with the basics. Give your service a clear, descriptive name like Standard Ground or Expedited so you and your team can recognize it later. Next, choose the countries where this service applies. Make sure the country selection aligns with your product feed, and that the currency shown here matches the currency in your feed and on your website to avoid mismatches or disapprovals. Now, set expectations for delivery times. Choose an order cutoff, which is the time of day orders must be placed to be processed the same day. Pick a realistic time based on your operations and be mindful of your time zone. Enter your handling time, the number of business days you need to pick, pack, and hand the order to the carrier, often 0 to 2 days. Then add the transit time, which is how long the carrier typically takes to deliver to the customer. Keep this window accurate and include a buffer for weekends or holidays so customers see dependable estimates. Next, choose how you'll calculate shipping costs. If shipping is free for this service, set the cost to 0. If you charge the same amount for every order, use a flat rate. If your shipping depends on how much a customer spends, set up order value-based tiers, such as free shipping over a certain amount and a specific fee below that threshold. If you want real-time prices from carriers like FedEx, UPS, or USPS, select Carrier Calculated. Remember, this requires accurate product weights and dimensions in your feed. If you base costs on total order weight, define weight-based rules with clear brackets. If quantity matters, use number of items so the rate scales with how many units are in the cart. For complex setups that combine factors like destination, price, and weight, use the advanced cost table for fine-grained control. When everything looks right, click Save. Changes can take up to 24 hours to appear on your listings. Keep your rates consistent with what's shown on your website, and revisit this section whenever your policies or carrier costs change to keep shoppers' expectations accurate.